Okay, so I just finished this guy, repairing him. A lot of problems. Apparently mice got into him, and who knows what happened, but essentially the motor was seized up, so thanks to Jason Valentine for figuring that part out. Of course, this thing was all glued together with, it's factory original, and when they do that, it's all tight and glued, and unfortunately the thing got ripped up a little bit, but we'll be able to repair that without a problem. But Jason got the motor unseized, so that was cool, but in the process, the audio got broken. And then when I got it back, the animation was working, but the head, it wouldn't work properly. It would open up and then close, but it would never fire again. But I managed to fix that by throwing out, see if I can find them, these crappy little switches that this thing came with. I don't even know if you guys can see this. These little leaf switches, I tried to adjust them and they just broke apart into garbage. So, well, he's doing his thing now. So I replaced those with real leaf switches, old school leaf switches from my my arcade machine. Actually, rather than pull it up, I'll just show you. This is an old joystick I have. And I replaced those leaf switches with this kind, which control when the gears stop, or the upper limit of the gears, so that the motor doesn't keep running and strip the gears. It's also timed with a circuit, but the thing will actually strip the gears. It'll just keep running. It's the clock's wrong. Can we even see the clock? It's about an hour fast. It's 1:45. I'm really tired. But suffice it to say, this guy's working. Next up, just gonna fix the skin. I think I'm gonna use silicone to repair that. According to what I've been finding out on YouTube, it seems like the right thing. But he is finally ready to haunt again. And there it is. There's the whole thing. That's what he does. He wasn't doing any of that. His heart was beating this year, and he was screaming, and that was it. And then we had an issue with the audio, but loose wires, and got that fixed. So yeah, it's been a fun night. There you go.